What's up, guys? Just got the GoTrax GXL commuter scooter, and I'm not gonna go through the unboxing here, but it's pretty easy to assemble. I would say it's extremely simple to figure out. All you have to do is put these two bolts in here. There's a shaft that comes out. It's pretty easy. It's explained in the instructions, and I got this for $349, just under 350 bucks. It's it's very comparable to the Bird scooter, which is actually 600 bucks. And here it is. It's pretty much the same exact design, double brake system. This is the brake, this is the throttle, and it has the tells you how fast you're going. The light's on right now. I'm going to take a quick ride at night, so I'm going to be needing that. And currently at half battery. There's 4 bars and there's a little hook here. And to fold it, you just pull this lever, fold it down. And there's this dual braking system. And this piece right here, when you fold it down, hooks into this, so it's pretty secure. And yeah, so let's go on a quick night ride here in New York City. Let's go for about 5 blocks up and back. Should be a couple minutes. Here we go. It is very cold outside. I'm just gonna take a quick spin. Shouldn't be more than a couple minutes. As you can see, I added a bell here. All right, let's go. And there's a setting where it only activates when you're going, I think, 2 or 3 miles an hour. The throttle doesn't activate when you're stationary. All right, let's go. Oh, let me make this light. Yeah, I'll make it. All right. Here I am on 30th Street. I'm gonna go a few blocks. So I'm in the bike lane right now, and I'm on a slight incline, but it's going pretty fast. Going at around 14 miles an hour. Just passing the movie theater. And I will say that there's also a cruise control. So once you reach a top speed, you don't have to keep your finger on the throttle. Unless you brake, it'll stop on its own. So I'm just gonna run this red light right here. Looks like there's no one here. All right, time to turn around. The ride's really smooth. It's just like a bird. Just the 8.5-inch air-filled tires, dual brakes, same speed. The bird does have a slightly longer range, but for the price, this is definitely worth it at $350. So yeah, if I walked that, it would have taken me around 10 to 15 minutes. It was only a few minute ride on this scooter, so it's very, very pleasant. Smooth ride, charges fast.